Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Desma Bloom Creative World. Today, I'm trying on different beaded jewelries which I created some time back. Please keep it here and watch until the end. Tell me your favorite creation on the comment section. On my next video, I will show you how I did this face clam on my own. Please stay connected and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the bell button for notifications. I started with this beaded choker. I think the earrings I'm putting on have already watched the video on my channel. Please, if you haven't, you can check the link on my description box. How I made them from scratch. I know you might be wondering if these creations I make by myself. The answer is yes. I love creativity and DIYs. So if you are interested in my creations and you would like to learn more on beading patterns and designs, please do not hesitate to subscribe to Desma Bloom Creative World. Please, do not miss on this chance. This is the second beaded choker I'm trying out. There are several designs, chokers, body chains, headgears and much more yet to come. Please keep it here and watch until the end of the video. Wow. This is my number 3 try-on haul. What do you guys think about this third beaded choker necklace? Please let me know on the comment section. Still counting on numbers for 5, 6 and more. Are they amazing pieces so far?
Wow, yellow?
Let me try it out. I love bright colors. What do you think, guys? I'm going to try this number 4 of my creations. This combination of colors black, white, red and green is gonna rock out of all. Please let me know of what you think on the comment section. my next. Bye.